We always give do and don'ts instructions to our patients after tooth extraction. Today I am going to share common do and don'ts after a simple tooth extraction procedure which is very needed to a perfect healing of that area. Hi, this is Dr. Artika working as an associate dentist in the Real Touch chain of premium dental practice. I have a very keen interest in oromaxillofacial surgery and I enjoy helping patients to recover fast. Today I am going to share some tips on how you can take care of your mouth after dental extraction is being done. We can divide after tooth extraction care phase into 4 steps. First, what to do within the first hour of extraction. Second, care has to be taken after 1 hour. Third, care has to be taken within the first 24 hours. Fourth, do and don'ts after 24 hours up to 2 weeks or after 2 weeks. Starting with all the precautions should be taken within the first hour after surgery. Firstly, you should bite firmly on the gauze for 1 hour, and if the pressure is less, then more cotton should be kept and you should inform to your dentist. After that, you should swallow your saliva and must avoid spitting, gargles, talking during this time. You should fill the mouth with cold water and hold it for 2 minutes and let the cotton get wet and it remove completely. One should make sure that all the cotton particles are removed. Then again fill the mouth with cold water till it's come to the body temperature and spit it. Repeat this step for 15 to 20 minutes. If the bleeding is still there, then you should inform to your dentist. One should be instructed not to eat from the anesthetized side till the effect of the anesthesia wash off. The person should complete prescribed medicine course on time. Care that should be taken for the next 24 hours after the extraction has been done. Firstly, the person should consume soft diet at cold or room temperature and include plenty of liquids in their diet. Keep in mind to chew from the opposite side from the side where an extraction has been done. One should avoid aerated drinks like soda, cold drink for 7 days. You should not to use straw and avoid touching the area with your finger or tongue. Avoiding habits like smoking, drinking alcohol, chewing tobacco and eating spicy food is a necessary factor. In case you feel any discomfort, pain, bleeding, just inform to the clinic. Then after 24 hours, what should you do or not to do up to 2 weeks or after 2 weeks? You should avoid the brushing from the surgical site for 2 weeks. Avoid any hard, crunchy and sticky foods like nuts, popcorn, etc. which can go inside the extraction site. Rinsing of mouth with mouthwash after every meal should be kept in mind. After 24 hours, the person should start doing warm saline rinses every 2 to 3 hours for the next 15 days, making sure that each time you must do it for 10 minutes. If suture is placed on the extraction site after procedure, then visit your dentist for suture removal after 7 to 10 days. If you have any questions regarding this or any other concern regarding your dental need, you can post in the comment section below and follow our channel for more informative videos.